Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is July 14th. As we know for the grain markets, the weather has been, well, that's what we need to watch. Going home yesterday, there was a ridge forming in that basically 6 to 15 day forecast over areas of Iowa and Nebraska and this northwest areas of the Corn Belt. That ridge has now backed off here today. So the 11 to 15 day forecast has actually taken a lot of heat out of the forecast and has backed that ridge off quite a bit. There are still expected to see some good rains over the next couple weeks before this heat really kind of kicks in. And so yesterday and the day before, we've had a strong move for corn and beans off of these lows. But now, are we going to continue to trade this weather, that this ridge is kind of breaking down in cooler temps as we get into August? If so, we may end up seeing a little bit of profit taking for corn and beans after seeing this bounce. Corn up to around 380 now, so up again overnight, up about 9 cents overnight. Beans as well, about 12 cents higher overnight, but hovering right around that 11.20 mark. There is still a gap in that chart at 11.36. So can we see a little bit more of an extension back up to those areas, or are we going to start looking at these weather models? And if they keep the cooler temps in on that 11 to 15 day map, will we start to see us break down a little bit again and look for more of some negative action from that? So that's what you've got to watch here today. As far as some of the outside markets, they've not mattered. It's not been a big deal, and I don't see that being a big deal as we move forward right now. But the big focus, obviously, will be weather here as we move forward. Export sales today came in neutral for corn and beans, a little negative for wheat, just over 300 million metric ton or 300,000 metric tons for wheat. A little bit negative, still lighter sales. We could see the market kind of give back some of the rally there as well. We were looking for some excitement out of wheat, and maybe we've found an area where we've got value. Well, we still are not making sales, and that's going to be the big thing to see this demand finally turn higher. So watch for that as we go through the next few weeks. But other than that, give us a call. We've got our conference coming up next week. A big event for us, a big event for you. We're going to break down corn, beans, and wheat on Tuesday and give you a fundamental basis for all of them and also give you some ideas on what to do. So a lot of people can throw information at you, but if you're not going to get any ideas on what to do as a producer or how do you protect yourself, then that information may not be very valid. So we want to try to give you a full look of what to do, what's coming, what does the weather look like. On Thursday, Drew Lerner is going to touch on weather and go through an in-depth look on how do we finish out the year. So you can go right on the website, get registered, make sure you've got a spot there as well. So if you need any help, we're here to help always. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you again a little later. Take care.